What's going on?
We're having a fight in the kitchen.
This one assaulted me first.
What did you say about me?
Saying anything.
Tell me that, yes you did.
I was talking to myself.
Okay.
The 3rd of April, 2025, Plaquemines Parish, Louisiana. Officers responded to a restaurant workplace battery between 2 employees. One was arrested. This analysis examines the legal framework that governed every decision made.
What's going on?
We're having a fight in the kitchen.
This one assaulted me first.
No, she shoved me first, and I hit her back.
I'm not
and
lying.
then she hit me again. Well, you know what? There was a girl in the kitchen, the cook, who seen it, and it was because she was in there calling me a woman. What did you say about me?
Saying anything.
Tell me that, yes you did.
I was talking to myself.
Okay. We're done yelling.
Yeah.
Jesus.
What happened? Let me get your side
I
story.
was in the back of the kitchen writing a check. Okay, she's up there bragging. I made $400 in tips today. Woo, I'm like, okay, congratulations. Shut the f up. You know, you constantly get to walk around here. You don't show up. You don't do your job. And he's sitting there instigating it. How much did you make? Brag, brag, brag. So I'm sitting there under my breath. Nobody gives a f. She loses it. I'm in the back kitchen writing a check. And Cheryl, watch it. She lunged at me.
Who's Cheryl?
The girl in the back in the kitchen.
Okay.
She lunged at me, and so I started defending myself. I swear I did not hit her first.
Okay.
I know better. I'm not dumb. I didn't hit her first. And I will press charges. I have a busted. I've been assaulted in this place of business, and there was nothing done about it.
Okay.
Okay? It's enough. These people, they're horrible people. That one right over there sitting there with a smirk on her face. I'm done. All I said, she's sitting up there bragging, and I said, no one gives a. I get in trouble for running my mouth, but she's allowed to.
You got your ID on you?
It doesn't make sense.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I need to speak with whoever saw.
I didn't see nothing. I was
I
next
guess
to
one of the other people who work back here.
Yeah, I'll send them out just.
That was me.
Oh, was you? Okay.
That was me.
All right. So what the hell happened?
Okay. First thing I know, I'm sitting back there, and Sydney, the darker-haired girl, comes to bring me a ticket.
Okay.
And she's trying to write it down. And Sabrina comes running in the kitchen. I tell you not to talk shit about me. And Sydney said, get out of my face.
Okay.
And the next thing I know, I'm watching the fryer. The next thing I know, I hear Sydney go, you will not put your hands on me like that. And then they started fighting. Sabrina brought her down to the floor by her hair and started hitting her. Sydney was on her knees. Sabrina was wailing her. Pretty good.
Okay. I might have to get a statement from you, but I'll be right back, okay? I'm here. So I talked to the other lady that, I guess, witness heard it. She said you guys were arguing. Sydney said, you won't put your hands on me. And next thing she knows, you guys are going at it on the fuck floor.
Yeah, because she shoved me.
Then why does she say you're not going to put her hands on, you aren't going to put your hands on her?
She shoved me first, officer. I'm grown enough to know not to put my hands on anybody first.
Okay.
And she was back there talking shit about me.
Okay. Well, if you're going to say that she hit you first, and she's going to say you hit her first, chances are I'm going to talk to both of you, and it's either A, you can both go to jail for battery.
Okay, well, I didn't put my hands on her first.
Okay, well, as of right now, since obviously there are probably no cameras in there,
There's not.
so it's a he said, she said, and the only other person that saw it saw the ending of it with you having her on the ground wailing in the head.
No, I had her on the ground holding her down off of me because she was punching me in the face.
Okay.
So what was I supposed to do with you? Just let her sit there and punch me?
Like I said, that's just what I'm being told. Okay?
I just told him the same thing.
Okay. You want her arrested?
I do. I got to stand up for myself.
Stay right there. I'm gonna close this a little bit, Sydney, okay? So what are they saying now? They're saying that I guess she told Sydney to go home. Sydney didn't. And then I guess they went back into the kitchen. That's where all the shit ensued. The other lady said that she heard Sydney tell her not to put her hands on her. She turned around to look at the fryer. Next thing she knows, they're on the floor. But then she's also saying that Sydney put her hands on her first. And with there being no cameras and no one actually witnessing it, it's a he said, she said. So it's either they both go to jail or get signed complaints against both of them.
She's saying
Sydney started it. Sydney's saying she started it.
Well, I think the way she explains it, I think they were heckling her, the way it sounds a little bit. Sydney said, shut the f*** up, and she said that's when this lady came at her. She said, I didn't hit her first, I know better.
Yeah.
She said, I was trying to cover up. She said, she just kept hitting me, and I was trying to cover up my face to defend myself.
Right.
So, what kind of marks does she have on her?
I didn't really get a look at her yet. I think some facial marks.
What's her hands look like? Her knuckles?
Red. I'll just look at your injuries real quick.
And a 9, and a 6, and a 5.
You just hold your hands out like that. Just like this.
With this?
Yeah.
First gear, give us 20.
Okay.
You will not talk shit about me. Gets to Sydney's face. The next thing I know, I'm looking this way. The next thing I know, I hear Sydney go, you will not touch me like that, and then push Sabrina backwards.
Okay.
The next thing I know, they're pushing on each other, and they end up in front of this cooler right here. Then Sabrina has Sydney in the floor by the hair of her head and wailing her in the face.
You heard Sydney say, touch me like that?
You got statements.
Yeah.
I mean, her story basically lines up with what the cook's saying.
What she's thinking. Yeah. So I assume that, because she said, she's like, I didn't touch her first.
Yeah.
You know, she said, I was just covering up my, she said, she just kept hitting me and hitting me. I was trying to cover up my face to defend myself. That's what she said. So, I mean, at this point, if she wants to sign a complaint, then she's going to go. If that's what you want to do.
Oh, that's fine. Cindy, do you want to press charges against her, or you just want to leave?
No, I want to press charges, please.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you sign a complaint form, and then I'll have to have you fill out a statement, okay? Okay. Go ahead and stand up, put your hands behind your back.
I'm going to jail?
Yep, you're going to jail for battery.
Is she going to jail for battery?
No.
How is that even possible?
I have someone who corroborates her story more than yours.
Are you kidding me? I'm a grown-ass woman. I know better than to put my hands on anybody.
That's something you can handle in court. If you'd like to fill out a statement on your side of the story, you can do that as well.
Wow.
You have anything on you I need to know about?
No.
Okay. Well, you gotta ask anymore. What's your name?
Spring Jones.
Okay.
Yes. You have stuff here? Do you have anything?
You can go ahead and step on that, that's fine. County on 5, 1 female, 1095.
I'm going to provide the cook with a statement form
And Sydney.
and have Sydney fill one out.
Okay.
And then, I don't know what's their position. Did they say with her, she's asking me if she's fired? I'm like,
I can go ask. I guess Sydney's wanting to know her position with you guys, whether she's fired or not.
I don't have no idea what even happened. I wasn't here, so we'll just talk about it.
Okay. Well, like I said.
I'll talk to her.
Okay. Well.
I have no idea. I don't know if the other guys seen what happened.
Well,
but
she gave us a story that more or less corroborated Sydney. So.
with Sydney saying story. Okay.
Your other workers, she's going to go to jail for right now.
Okay.
Whether she gets released or not, it's not up to me. She's going to get a ticket from me. She'll get a court date. On that side of that, it'll be determined later whether she goes to Pulaski County or not.
Okay.
But that's right now. She's going to go to jail for now. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. Will she have her bond or she get out?
No. Her ticket will be her bond. If they don't take her down to Pulaski County, she'll get released with her ticket and a court date. If she goes to Pulaski County, chances are she'll see a judge tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm sure her boyfriend want to know what's going on.
I asked her if she had anything here. She said she'd come back and get it later. So,
Okay.
alrighty.
Okay, thank you guys.
You're welcome. County on 5, being right to you. Post 1 female, beginning mileage 112001. 112001.
A felony or a misdemeanor?
I'd have to look at the statute.
This ain't even right. Not supposed to bond?
They'll make that determination down there. There's no cash bond anymore. So you'll either get released with a ticket and a court date, or you'll have to spend the night in Pulaski County.
I spend the night in jail?
Yep. Here, I'm gonna take this pen and your check thing out.
Okay.
You don't have a phone on you or anything? Okay.
I think I got money in my pocket.
That's fine. They'll have you empty your pockets when they come and talk to you. Oh, we're going this one. They'll be out with you a second, okay?
Yep.
Louisiana Revised Statutes, Section 14.35, defines simple battery as the intentional use of force or violence upon the person of another. It is a misdemeanor. The threshold is intent, not injury severity. Louisiana Revised Statutes, Section 14.34.1, elevates the charge to second-degree battery, a felony only when serious bodily injury is inflicted. That determination requires medical assessment. It cannot lawfully be made in the field. Louisiana Revised Statute Section 14.19 provides a complete defense force is justifiable when reasonably necessary to prevent a forcible offense against the person. The defense turns on who initiated contact judged at the moment of the act, not in hindsight. In State v. C.Cr.P, the Louisiana Court of Appeal held that self-defense is inherently a credibility determination. Absent surveillance footage, independent witness testimony is the controlling evidence. Partial observation of an altercation is admissible but carries reduced weight. Louisiana Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 213 authorizes a warrantless arrest when an officer has reasonable cause to believe an offense was committed. The standard is probable cause, not proof beyond reasonable doubt. The Supreme Court in Beck v. Ohio established that probable cause exists when facts within the officer's knowledge would lead a reasonably prudent person to believe the individual committed the offense. Witness corroboration alone can satisfy this standard. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent attaches the moment a person becomes the focus of criminal investigation. Any statement made voluntarily before invoking that right is fully admissible. Silence cannot be used against the accused. Waiving it without counsel present carries significant legal risk. Lesson 1. A lawful arrest and an acquittal at trial are not contradictions. Probable cause justifies detention. Self-defense under Section 14.19, if credibly established at trial, can result in acquittal without rendering the original arrest unconstitutional. Lesson 2. In any criminal investigation, invoke the right to counsel before giving a detailed account. The self-defense narrative belongs in front of a judge, not in a field interview. What is said to an officer becomes evidence. What is said to an attorney remains protected.